Well, a local man accused of a string of crimes, the worst of it, opening fire with an AR-15 on a deputy while his fiancée drove a getaway car. Today, that man, pictured here, Damien Madison, appeared before a judge in Thurston County Court.
This after investigators tell us he used his friend's help to dye his hair, get a car, and drive all the way to Nevada. Fox 13's A.J. Janewell is outside court. And A.J. Madison faces life behind bars.
Madison already has several active cases in Thurston County. This most recent one involves charges of unlawful possession of a gun, first-degree assault, and drive-by shooting, all of those aimed toward a deputy. Today in court, the prosecution addressed how shocking these crimes are.
He was willing to sacrifice his own safety, the safety of the men and women in this community that give their lives every single day, and that he fired upon them in such a wanton and disregard for the safety of everyone in this community is abhorrent to the state. Mr. Madison is someone who poses an extreme danger to himself, to the loved one that was with him, to everyone who operates a motor vehicle.
Now inside that courtroom, it was packed, specifically with Thurston County Sheriff's deputies. I got a chance to speak with Thurston County Sheriff Derek Sanders after the hearing. He says his deputies were there in support for one of their own.
If you think that no one got hurt, you don't get shot at and just come back normal. I don't care who you are, whether you're in law enforcement or military, member of the community. You know, anytime you've got rounds flying your way, you don't come out of that the same on the other side.
During the hearing, the judge mentioned that Madison faces life behind bars. At this point, you could see that Madison put his head into his hands and was wiping away his eyes. I asked Sheriff Sanders about Madison's on-screen response.
I hope there's some remorse, and you know, regardless of how this case resolves, I mean, even for the worst of the worst offenders, I hope they can find a way to somehow become better people and amend what they've done.
No bail was set during this hearing. The trial is expected to begin later in the summer. Reporting in Thurston County, I'm A.J. Janewell, Fox 13 News.